Hello, today we are talking about how to make catchy YouTube thumbnails fast and for free. Hi and welcome to this channel. My name is Dennis Mboro. This is Digital Strategy and Marketing. We assist entrepreneurs build outstanding businesses and also train on digital tools. This is a thumbnail I created to talk about how to justify text in Photoshop some time back because it's a challenge that I was really experiencing. And to do that, we come to canva.com. Canva is a free website. Of course, it has a paid version, but there is still a lot that you can do there for free. And once you have clicked on canva.com and it has loaded, or if you need to sign up, you'll see how to sign up. It's quite simple. You can search content, or you can even create a Canva design here. And then from there, you'll say that you want to create a YouTube thumbnail. And as you can see, it already has a set dimensions for the YouTube thumbnail. Once you select that, you'll see that there are several templates here that you can use to make, and you just look for one that that piques your interest. I've seen one that's quite funny, but I just want to see one that is quite interesting for me. You select it, it comes here, and from there you can create the thumbnail that you want to create. Like for example, how to create catchy thumbnails. Fast and free. This is ready to use on YouTube, and you probably clicked on this to see to learn how to do this. Thank you very much. Keep following this channel to learn more about digital tools. See you in the next video.